You know that feeling. You should start, but your brain finds a reason not to. In a minute, after this video, later. Here's a trick that kills that excuse instantly. It takes 5 seconds, literally. It's called the 5-second rule. Here's how it works. The moment you feel the urge to start something and hesitate, count backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then physically move, immediately. No thinking, no negotiating. Just move on 1. Why does this work? Your brain has a 5-second window. Before your prefrontal cortex gets overridden by the part of your brain that talks you out of things, counting backward interrupts that hijack. It's a physical pattern interrupt. Not motivation, just movement. Here's the science in one sentence. Hesitation is a decision point. The longer you sit in it, the more excuses your brain generates. 5 seconds is short enough that excuses don't have time to form. Let's use it right now. Think of the task you've been avoiding today. Got it? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now go start it right after this video. That's the whole trick. But here's how to make it actually stick. 5 extra rules. 1. Use it the second you feel hesitation. Not 5 minutes later, the second you notice it. 2. Pair it with a physical action. Standing up, opening the laptop, picking up the pen. The count should end in movement, not just thought. 3. Use it for small starts, not big finishes. You're not counting yourself into finishing the whole project, just into starting it. 4. Say the numbers out loud if you can. Out loud creates a stronger interrupt than silent counting. 5. The one nobody tells you. Use it on the boring stuff especially. Big scary tasks already have adrenaline pushing you. It's the boring small tasks where you need this most. That's the entire method. Feel the hesitation, count backward, move on 1. Try it on the very next thing you're avoiding. Subscribe now, you'll thank me later. Comment 54321 if you're using this today. See you in the next one.